Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadip Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the value of the following. So the expression given to us is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 4. So what we are going to do is, at first we are going to simplify the denominator of the second term. So let's proceed. 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 4 will become 4 plus 1 upon 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 upon 4. So 1 plus 1 upon 5 upon 4 can be written as 4 upon 5. Now the LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. So in the denominator we are going to have 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 will be equals 5, and 5 upon 5 is 1, and 1 multiplied by 4 will be equals 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 upon 5 will be the required final answer of the given question. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.